Hi guys, welcome to a new video. This technique is very important for you. If someone grabs your collar with his both hands and pins you against the wall and he is stronger than you, then how to defend yourself? And he push you against the wall, and in this condition your hands cannot be reached on his nose for any attack, then what should you do? So let's start the technique, and don't miss any part of this video if you want to learn this technique. In this situation, the first thing you need to do is loosen his grip. Step number 1, you lift your right arm up like this. So you can see that one of his wrists is a little crooked because the shirt has fallen into his hand. Now step 2, you will rotate your left shoulder like this, and you can see his both arms under your control. Now the final step, from here you will quickly roll your right shoulder under his arm like this, and you can see he is fully under your grip, and if you do any move, his arm can be break. Guys, now we will show you this technique in fast motion. If you do practice hard and daily many times, then you can do very quickly like this. Guys, please support us and subscribe our channel and share our video, and if you like the video then press the like button. Guys, if you have any question you can comment. Guys, if you want to do any technique fast and with perfection, then you should practice each technique at least for a week, daily 30 to 40 times in a day. Then your moves will be perfect. Thank you guys.